Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make sushi like a pro. Rinse and cook short-grain rice using a 1:1 rice to water ratio, then season it gently with rice vinegar, sugar, and salt while folding to cool. I'll walk you through prepping fillings, choosing fish, and controlling moisture. Follow simple timing tips and knife handling to build confidence so your homemade rolls look and taste restaurant quality. Start by selecting fresh fish and crisp vegetables, then slice fillings against the grain for the best texture. Pat everything dry to avoid soggy rice and make rolling easier. I'll show proportions for balanced flavor and how to layer ingredients for neat rolls. Keep a sharp knife and wipe it between cuts to maintain clean slices and a professional presentation that will impress friends and family. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like to support more cooking tips. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for keeping recipe books and guides at your fingertips while you cook, and its waterproof design makes it kitchen-friendly. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for considering it. Now let's get back to the video. Lay nori shiny side down and spread a thin, even rice layer, leaving about 1 inch at the edge to seal. Add fillings in a single line, then use the bamboo mat to roll with gentle, consistent pressure so the roll stays tight. I'll demonstrate inside-out and maki styles, plus tips for avoiding air pockets. With a few practice rolls, you'll develop rhythm and cleaner, firmer sushi every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.